If you record your screen frequently, forget using Loom, OBS, or any other screen recorder.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Today, I want to show you Tella and how I use it to make my videos look 1000% better. Hey, I'm Chris. I'm a product designer running my own creator business, and video is a key part of my company's workflow, especially when we're all remote. I want to walk you through how I use Tella in 3 ways, so you can start making professional videos without learning Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro just by recording your screen. And at the end of this video, I'll show exactly how I edited this entire video just by using Tella. Number 1 is onboarding. Either a new teammate joins or I want to delegate a complex task. You want to make sure you explain things thoroughly enough, and Tella works like a charm. I go through the SOP at a high level and then show them the detailed description, but I actually want to do this step by step so it's even easier to follow along. Here my team member is learning in 2 ways. They see how something is done on screen, they can watch me and listen to my explanation. How cool is it that I can zoom into specific points in the video, instead of squinting when you're watching a Loom video? We've all been there. Number 2 is courses. You don't have to hire a professional editor or slave away learning Premiere. All you need to do is chuck your slides on a screen, press record, and you're good to go. You get speaker notes too, so you never get off topic, but if you mess up like we all do, there's a bunch of features that cut down the editing process. Delete silences, because everyone needs a sip of water. Remove filler words. What a godsend. And you can edit the video with text. Just delete the word, boom, and it's gone from the video. No one does presentations in one take, let alone a video course. The days of restarting and restarting Loom are gone.
Thank God.
And finally, number 3 is content. Basically, the video you're watching right now, all the transitions are done by Tella. I could play around with different layouts. This. I could make myself the focus or move from left to right. This makes the video way more engaging, and I'm not just a circle at the bottom left of the screen. There's that too, if that's your kind of thing. And I could also add clips during the video, like this B-roll.
Hey, do a kickflip!
And when I'm done with all the tweaking, I can just download this video in 4K and just upload it to YouTube. I do these quarterly retrospective for creators, and what used to take me days, I can finish in an hour or 2. So there you have it. The video you've been watching has been 100% made and edited in Tella. So if you want professional grade videos for your product demos, courses, tutorials, or any video content just by recording your screen, give Tella a try. It's super fast to record, edit, view, and export. It's free to sign up, and if you like it, you get 30% off your first year. Just use this QR code or the link in the description. Even though Tella did sponsor this video, I probably would have made this video anyways. It's one of my favorite tools in my stack, so thank you to the team at Tella. And until next time, bye!